My name's Eric Watson. I'm Vice President of Maintenance for Caretaker Landscape and Tree Management. We have been in business since 1988. Yeah, we've got almost 200 accounts that we manage, tens of thousands of acres of turf. Right now we have about 350 Weathermatic clocks, which we will continue to install as we get new properties. We use Weathermatic as part of our sales pitch when we're coming into a client. Arizona is being scrutinized more and more over water savings. It is certainly a strong sales pitch to come in and say that we can install the clocks for free and manage them and save the HOA or commercial property money.
We'll offer to put in the SmartLink Weathermatic systems as part of our maintenance contracts. And what we found is obviously putting in a smart controller into those systems allows us to better manage and have better control of what is happening on the ground.
Like on rainy days, you got to go over there and shut them off. Just put them on rain delays. SmartLink is like you just go on your tablet, your phone, and put a rain delay. You can adjust everything with your tablet or phone on SmartLink.
Before having Weathermatic and the SmartLink programs, the data was out there. We just don't have a good way to collect it. With having SmartLink, we can see how much runtime a property has had. We have multiple reports that we can pull that shows overall consumption on a property on a monthly, weekly, daily basis.
I could wake up and just get on SmartLink and it's like nothing. It's so simple for me now.